Hey again, this is me, Jesse Polymath Project with Jesse Precious. So we seem to have another problem. And I'm here to help you navigate through. This might be a common encounter in external exams for students who intend to see for WIEC, JAM, and other external exams. So let's see how to navigate through this. If you're not careful, you might get stuck trying to solve this. Now, there's something you have to know. In this expression, you would figure out that we're looking for the value of x. So finding the value of x, follow this lead of mine. Um, let's say we have fourth root of 1 all over 16, all enclosed in the bracket x equal to 0.25. On the right hand side of the equation, you could simply put it this way in a fractional form. 25 over 100. Actually, it makes it a whole lot easier to work with right now. So I could be like, um, we already know if that is the fourth root, we have, okay, let me just replicate this here. So all we have to do is raise both sides to the fourth power. So we are raising both sides to the fourth power. So raising both sides to the fourth power entails that I'm going to apply, sorry for that, power 4 here, and I also apply power of 4. That's what makes it an equation. So the power of 4 will eliminate the fourth root, and then the only thing we have left on this left hand side of the equation is 1 all over 16 raised to the power of x. And then for this other side we have 25 all over 100 raised to the power of 4. So the next thing we're going to do is try to break the bracket for the left hand side. That would mean 1 raised to the power of x and 16 to the power of x as well. We still have the same thing here, 25 to the power of 4 all over 100 to the power of 4. So if that was the case, there's something you should know. Any 1 raised to the power of any value equals 1. So we're going to have here 1 all over 16 to the power of x equal to 25 to the power of 4, 100 to the power of 4. So next thing I'd want to do on a bead to find the value of x is perhaps cross multiply. We could cross multiply. It's a longer way to do it, but it's worth it. So cross multiplying entails that 1 raised to the power of 4, 100 raised to the power of 4 multiplies 1. And then we have here 100 raised to the power of 4. And then 16 raised to the power of x multiplies 25 raised to the power of 4. So we have here 16 to the power of x of 25 to the power of 4. Then the next thing you do is you divide through. You divide through by the power of, you divide through by 25 to the power of 4. Dividing through by 25 to the power of 4 equals, I'm now having this cancels this, and then I'm having here 16 to the power of x, and here I have 100 to the power of 4 all over 25 to the power of 4. Let's see what that gives us. Alright, that gives us 256. 100 to the power of 4 divided by 25 to the power of 4 gives us 256. So let's take that down. 256. You might want to find out the base for 256 so that it shares a common base with 16 for the index notation 16 raised to the power of x. Okay, I'm pretty much intending to show you what that means. We have here the index notation for 256 with regards to the index notation for 256 with regards to 16 as base is equal to 16 raised to the power of 2. So 16 raised to the power of 2 gives us 256 equal to 16x to the power of x. So we say collecting powers, because that's the only way you could find x. You find out that x is equal to 2. So, my friends, I think this is the value we very much need. X equals 2. That's when the bases are cancelled. Okay, let's take a snippet of what this looks like. Okay, I'm really glad that you saw this through, and if you ever needed someone who would help you navigate through your questions, hard problems, I'm always here to help you, and you can always contact me on the following platforms. So I hope to see you soon. Bye.